Hello there, Jakson here. Welcome to the channel. Nice to have you as always. My little corner of the interwebs for a little bit of WordPress. And if you like a bit of WordPress, the modern block theming, full site editing style, modern WordPress, then I do encourage you to subscribe if you're new here. Right, WordPress 7 is just around the corner, literally. And there's been quite a bit of hype about it being the AI-centric release, the big AI release of WordPress. And well, I'm here to kind of just sort of get some bare bones truth on that claim, and tell you exactly what's up and coming with AI and WordPress 7, take you through what it's all about. And spoiler alert, it's not exactly you're going to be making websites with WordPress core. However, hold tight, because there is clearly been so much work, love, dedication, money, passion on the AI trip with the WordPress core team and the AI experiments and the AI team in general. It's just that this might not be the release, the all singing, dancing AI version of WordPress that you may have been waiting for. But like I said, hold tight. I'm going to go through all the features, what you need to extend those features, and what it's going to look like in the future with quite a lot of the stuff that this is setting the groundwork for WordPress and core AI functionality. So here we go. Let's get stuck in. It's WordPress 7, the truth about the AI features. Right then, we've got WordPress 7 running here. So all it is just on the setup, it's the WordPress beta tester plugin, which is this fella here. Install it, follow the instructions, and you get to play with the latest version of WordPress. And currently that is WordPress 7 Beta 6 with 2025 theme. So once that's installed, now this isn't a WordPress 7 full review, that's coming. This is just the AI features, okay? Now, when you install it, because you will notice that it's got a slightly different color palette going on version 7 anyway. If you go to settings, you'll see a new item here called connectors. You click that and you get this page. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is it. That's all you get with WordPress 7. You get this page. Now, what this means is it's connectors. Now, connectors is basically a central point to put your AI API, your AI services API keys. You know, and there's 3 built-in ones currently for Anthropic, Google. And all it does is that when you click on install, it's going and grabbing a plugin, another plugin from the repo, installing that plugin, and asking you for the AI key. So if I go grab AI key quickly, we'll pop that in there and save that. And that's it. That's literally, if we go to plugins now and to installed active plugins, we've got this plugin which was literally just installed by that process and allowed us to put our API key in. And that is it. That's the whole shebang. So what it is that this, and hold tight because there is more coming, there's better stuff coming, I promise. It's just a central point for other plugin developers to use this as their kind of default way for users to add API keys, because there's tons of API plugins out there, but they'll all have a separate settings page for their particular plugin and for you to put your API key. So it's essentially just a central place, and that literally is it. However, because there's nothing. All it is I've connected OpenAI to my WordPress site. It does nothing. But have a look at the top here. This little thing here, this wasn't on here a few days ago. I don't think, can't remember. But it says the AI plugin can use your connectors, those things down there, to generate featured images, alt text, titles, excerpts, and more. Oh, hello. Okay, so there is some functionality, but it's not built into WordPress. This is my point. You've got to install the AI Experiments plugin. Well, in actual fact, it was called the AI Experiments plugin, but now it's called simply the AI plugin. Experiments was literally removed a few days ago. I'm quite pleased about that because it kind of makes it a little bit nervy having something with experiments. So this is rock solid. And what this plugin does, like it says on the tin up here, it allows us to do stuff in WordPress, but it's not part of WordPress core. More about this in a second. Let's install it, get back to our plugins, and we'll refresh the active plugins. And there we go. We've got our AI plugin installed. So remember, this is not part of core. This is just what essentially is a kind of demo of what's to come, which I'm assuming might be in core or maybe an opt-in kind of thing at some point. And the connectors, which will take us back to our connectors page, and our settings page for AI has a load of stuff. Cool. So what do? So we've got these editor experiments, so we can generate excerpts or alt text for images, image generation, review notes. I'm going to have to whiz through these in a second. Content summarization and title generation. And we've got also this abilities explorer. More about that in a second. So as it stands, the AI experiments plugin, now called AI plugin, gives you all of this. We'll save that. And if we go to one of our posts here, and we'll go to a post that I actually created as a very short demo, you will see that we've got some other stuff going on now. On the right hand side, we've got generate featured image. So basically what that does, it will create an AI featured image. Now, I absolutely despise anything AI image wise. Lets you spend a lot of time, a lot of crafting, a lot of prompting and offering up examples of stuff. Just don't like it. So I'll never use that as it stands. But then you've got things like when you click on the title, regenerate. Okay. So what this does, it looks at the title, looks at your content, and you regenerate it, does its thing, firing off some prompts to OpenAI, and you see we've got that. I mean, it would be nice if there was a few different examples, but you select that and bang, you're in. So it does the titles, doesn't actually allow you to create prompt to actually create the content, but that's okay. Nor does it do it for your H2s, 3s, etc. It's only literally the title at this point. But let's have a look at the other stuff. So let's just save that post. So we have got, okay, your guide to adopting and loving a rescue cat. Let's regenerate that. It's doing its AI thing again. And there we go. We've got a whole new excerpt, and we can get in there, go have a look at it, have a play with that. It's quite long, actually. Be nice to have a option to choose the size. But okay, you can kind of see the direction it's going. Other stuff on the post is that we can generate review notes, and this will go through each section and block and basically give you some feedback and suggestions on it. It doesn't actually allow you to swap them out at the moment. Let's give it a go and see what we get. Kind of sort of whizzes through block by block, and we can go have a look at the review notes here. So it's actually added, so you know the notes collaboration, which is coming in 7, full review up and coming for that. It's looking at grammar, it's looking at all sorts of stuff with the different blocks and giving you some feedback. So, you know, that's pretty cool, if I'm honest. Though as it stands, you probably would want to, or I would, if I was using AI to create a content, I would, there wouldn't really be much of a need for this, because I would have actually created the content in AI or put it through an AI writing gem or a GPT or whatever. But, you know, that's cool. I guess what we're seeing here is like the future. You know, it's just a little sniff of what's to come, as it were, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get back to what else we can do. So we've got the review notes, we've got generate summary. That essentially will give us a new block at the top here that we can either use as our intro text or what have you, although you can see immediately that it's kind of using quite a lot of the text from exactly the block before it, you know, to regenerate that. Anyway, you kind of get the gist, right? So there's some nice things, and with this AI plugin, so remember there's nothing built into WordPress 7. It's AI free apart from the connectors page. But if we go have a look at what is to come with the AI experiments plugin, this is a great little resource here. Cannot remember how I linked to it. I think it's off the Make WordPress blog, but this is what we're on, version 6, I believe. Are we? Let's double check that. Plugins, active, version 6. Yeah, so we're on version 6. So if we have a look at version 6, you'll see it's empty of these columns. But if we go over to the far one, which is done as in it's live, this is all the stuff that has been done for version 6. So version 7, assuming coming soon, and you'll see, let's just get rid of that for a sec. And you see that this is kind of like your roadmap, as it were. I'll obviously link to all of this. You know, so there's a backlog and in discussion and what's to do, I made the cut, as it were, in progress and needs review and done. So there's just, you know, you can actually see that there's a lot of stuff happening to get more stuff than we've currently got in the set of features which are on the settings, the stuff we just demoed here, all this sort of stuff. And just looking going forward even further, we've got version 1, they're hoping for all this stuff. So this is all the stuff that's been looking to come into version 1 after 0.7 is complete, and there's even a sort of, you know, future releases and stuff like that. So it's tons of work going on, but none of it is in WordPress 7. But, you know, the moral of the story is this is not the AI-centric, all singing, dancing, WordPress has just gone full AI. This is the groundwork that is being done for the future that we are all hoping for. One last thing about the AI plugin. We've got this AI abilities aspect to it. And what that is, if you don't know what abilities are, they are the things that are the functionality that's exposed in plugins and core that can be connected to through things like AI agents and MCP connections and all that sort of jazz. And if you have a little peek up in tools, you see after installing and it's active, we've got this abilities explorer, and you can see here that there are 13 total abilities, and some of them are coming from core here and some of them are coming from the plugin, mostly from the obviously from the AI plugin OVS. But if you have a quick look at like core, you go view it and testability, and we'll just invoke that, and it just gives us the local environment, what's going on. So it's like the API on steroids ish, and will take a lot more to explain properly to you than we've got time for this. But all in all, yes, WordPress 7 is not feature rich with AI stuff, but I tell you what, it's getting exciting. Oh yes, you can see where it's going, can't you? I mean, you know, it's not all singing, dancing for us folks that just like building websites as it stands, but it's all coming along rather nicely, I'd say. And if you want another WordPress recent update, check out that video. But until next time, I shall see you later.